Last year, a vegetable company sold 4,665,288 carrots, 9,728,239 onions, 8,435,457 potatoes, and 3,277,491 celery stalks. Holy cow. How many vegetables did the company sell in all? So what we have to do is add up all four of these numbers, and these numbers are in the millions. So we're adding four numbers at the same time. So let's write them up and make sure everything's lined up the way they need to be. 4,665,288 carrots, 9,728,239 onions, 8,435,457 potatoes, and 3,277,491 celery stalks. And we are going to add all of these. So we start from the very right and start adding. Keep in your mind what the number is. 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. So you write out your 5 and carry the 2. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 5 is 18. And 18 plus 9 is 27. Write out your 7, carry the 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. Write out your 4, carry the 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. And 19 plus 7 is 26. Write out a 6, carry a 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. 13 plus 7 is 20. Write out a 0, carry a 2. 2 plus 6 is 8. 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 2 is 21. Write out a 1, carry over a 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 8 is 23. And 23 plus 3 is 26. Write out 26. Bring down your commas. Bring down your commas. And that big number is 26,106,475. And we are talking about how many vegetables they sold in all. So that many vegetables.